Are you looking to start a dropshipping business in 2025? Here's the reality. While the dropshipping business was worth $276 billion last year, a whopping 90% of dropshipping businesses fail in the first 90 days. But today I'm going to separate the winners from the losers and how to make sure you're on the right side of that statistic. Hi guys, my name is Des from the Ecom Corner, and even though I've helped several businesses build and scale their businesses, it still comes up all the time. Is dropshipping really that profitable? And is it still profitable? So let's break down the real numbers as they stand in 2025 and what's going to be important for you to start and scale your business. So let's get real with the numbers. The average dropshipping margin is around 15 or 20%, and that's just for starters. Here is the exact formula that successful dropshippers use. You've got your sale price minus supply cost minus marketing expenses minus platform fees equals your net profit. Sounds simple, right? But here's where most people go wrong. Let's say you're selling a product for $50 and your supplier charges you $20 to purchase that product. You spend $15 on marketing that product and then a further $5 for the platform fee. Now, I'm no rocket scientist, but I think that leaves you with about $10 of profit and about a 20% markup. Now, to make this work, you need to focus on a margin of about 30%. And that's after all of your costs, because to try and scale your business and make this work, that's the sort of figure you need to be thinking about. Now, the brutal truth is most people jump in with very little capital and very little planning. But there's more to this story. The main killers are inadequate starting capital. That's the main thing. I would say that you need at least $2,000 to $3,000 to really test your product properly. Poor supplier relationships and actually not vetting them properly is a main issue. And also weak brand differentiation. You're trying to compete on price instead of on quality and customer service. But here's something the gurus won't tell you. The secret is actually choosing less competitive niches with really high margins. Now, the key here is looking for products that look like they've got high complexity, but they're actually quite low in reality. For example, specialized pet care products have less competition than general pet supplies, but you can command much higher prices and more premium prices. But what if I told you that some of these failures are actually good for new entrepreneurs? And here's why. Success in dropshipping comes down to 3 core elements. You've got brand identity, you've got customer service, and then you've got strategic product selection. First, you've got to build a brand identity that resonates with your target market. And this means professional branding, consistent messaging, and a clear value proposition. Second, you need to provide exceptional customer service, and this is your competitive advantage against larger players. Third, choose products strategically based on data instead of that gut feel. You really need to start by defining your unique sales proposition, create standard operating procedures for customer service, and use tools like Google Trends or even social media to see which product is actually quite popular and which one's trending at the moment. Not only is dropshipping viable, but it's actually projected to grow by 23.2% by 2032. However, guys, the game is going to change. E-commerce has evolved. Consumers are savvier, competition is fiercer, and platforms like Temu and Shein have changed the landscape. But this creates really great opportunities for really smart entrepreneurs. Success in 2025 requires focusing on niche markets, leveraging automation for efficiency, and building genuine customer relationships. The winners are those who treat dropshipping as a business instead of just some sort of side hustle. Now, in reality, dropshipping is extremely profitable if you go about it in the right way and you think of it as a proper business. It really isn't some sort of get-rich-quick scheme. Now, if you're just getting started, you'll probably want to join our free community called the Ecom Network. Hey there, e-commerce entrepreneurs. Are you looking to level up your online store with AI and automation? Then you need to join our free community on school.com. The Ecom Network is your go-to hub for cutting-edge AI strategies, time-saving automation tips, exclusive live Q&As, and a supportive network of fellow store owners. And best of all, it's completely free to join. So head on over to the Ecom Network on School and click the Join Group to get started. Let's grow together in the Ecom Network. And if you're really serious about getting started in dropshipping, you really want to watch my next video where I show you how dropshipping works and how you can scale your business.